So Wanda Software has made one of the best truck simulator games so far, and this game is even more fun and realistic to play than Truckers of Europe 3. On the Play Store, this game has gotten more than 5 million downloads, making it a really interesting game that you need to check out. So today, I'm going to reveal this game to you, and at the end of this video, make sure you head over to the Play Store and download it. Now you might be thinking this game is Driver's Highway Hero, but there's no way Driver's Highway Hero comes close to this game. This game is exceptional, and to be honest, I can actually say it's more fun to play than Truckers of Europe 3. Yeah, I said it. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to review this game for you right now. And as we proceed, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. Let's go. Now the game we're all talking about is Heavy Machines and Construction. You've probably heard of it already. It's one of the best truck and construction simulator games ever made on mobile. The game has a wide variety of vehicles, construction machines, trucks, trailers, and all those fun and realistic features. Unlike Truckers of Europe 3, where you just drive trucks back and forth to deliver cargo, and that's basically it. This game offers so much more. Now here's the exciting part, guys. In Heavy Machines and Construction, you can never get bored because there's always something to do. From loading and unloading with excavators to operating different types of machines, it's packed with fun and realism, making it more enjoyable than many other mobile games out there. So guys, what are you waiting for? I really recommend you try out this game because it truly stands out and has a lot of potential. Let me know in the comments if you've played it before, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.